I just spent $29 buying the Multiverse AI headshot generator plan so that you don't have to. And in this video, I will show you my results, how good the AI actually is, and whether I would recommend a tool like this to you or not. If you're at any point convinced to try this product, I have actually arranged you a 10% discount and you can find it in the description. But please don't click on that just yet, because I want to show you what the AI is actually capable of and whether it's worth the price or not. Alrighty, so here you will see some images of myself first. So these are real images that I use to train the Multiverse AI. So basically, whenever you use the Multiverse AI or any other similar tool, you need to send some images of yourself to it so that it will literally learn what you look like, so that it can then place you in these different scenes and lightings and clothings and whatnot. So these are the images that I used. And I'm also showing you this because I want you to know what I look like before I show you the actual AI generated headshots. So now let's see the results. So right here, everything you see from this point on is AI generated. So none of these images are real, which is absolutely insane. Well, I don't like this third one right here at the right hand side, but these two on the left hand side look exactly like I do. And the only thing is that I think that I don't really have this perfect hair, but it's very close still. I look handsome as always, of course. And yeah, these are just the top 3 pics, so you can actually scroll down a bit further to see these other results as well. So these are the AI generated headshots. I think that there are at least 100 of these. And by a quick look on the surface, these all look amazing. So the lighting is good, the clothing is cool, it looks natural as well. Black and white images are also pretty amazing. But then I have to admit something that I actually don't like about this is that when you pay a bit closer attention to one of these images, you can actually see that there are quite a bit of artifacts, at least in some of these. Not in all, definitely not in all of these, because most of these actually look pretty flawless. But for example, please pay attention to this one. So if I actually download it and zoom it a bit further, you can see that my face is completely messed up. So the teeth don't look natural at all. I wouldn't even call it a smooth row of teeth. I don't even know what's going on there. And my nose is completely messed up. So at some of these images you have these issues. I think that this one has the same problem as well. But then again, these look completely natural, these look natural. Well, here my lips are doing something pretty strange. I don't know what's going on there. So most of these images look very realistic, but then I would say half of those have some issues, and then like 10-20% are completely messed up. So for example, here once again, this looks almost like a pig or a monkey version of myself. So don't really like that one. One of the features I love about the Multiverse AI is that if you sometimes have these images where you are very close to the camera, you might want to expand the image. So you might want to add more background to it. And for example, let's do this one right here. So if I want to add more to this image, I can actually click on this zoom out feature, and it's not going to react to that instantly because this is like the AI generated image. So it's actually not aware of the surroundings outside of these boundaries. But right now the AI actually expanded the image. So it guessed what these surroundings would look like based on the initial image. So right now you can see that it's actually a bit broader, and you get a bunch of versions of this image as well. So that's pretty cool. So if you have an image where your face is not even entirely visible, or your hair is outside of the boundaries of the image, you can use this AI expansion feature. And this I think works pretty nicely, as you can see from here. But here's where it gets to a completely different level. So the Multiverse AI has this custom feature, and this is absolutely incredible. Because if you look at this, and let me actually first show you how it works. So the idea here is simple. You tell the AI here what you want to see, and then it will produce these images on the right hand side. So for example, here I have told the AI, me wearing a red shirt in Spain during the sunset. And here, these 3 images that you see are the AI generated images based on my input. So this is the message that I sent to the AI, and these are like the images that I wanted to see. And for example, if we look at this one, I mean, come on, nobody would be able to tell that this is not a real image. This is incredible. But yeah, then the same issue arises here as in the previous page. So for example, here I have told the AI to create an image of myself smiling, me wearing a white shirt and smiling. And as you can see, these are pretty good images as well. But the same issue is in these ones as well as in the first page. So the teeth are messed up. For example, here, I don't like it at all. Even here, because it looks like unnatural. But other than the teeth, these images also look really professional. These are really something that I could use in my social media profiles. But yeah, these top images, the red shirt in Spain during sunset, these are absolutely insane. Like, when I started to use this product, I must admit that I thought that the best kind of image you would get out of it would be something like this one, or the one that I showed you here where the teeth is messed up. Yeah, these were the ones that I thought that, okay, this is probably possible right now. But boy, I never expected it to be this accurate. So overall, I would say that I'm very happy with the Multiverse AI. It produced way better images than I anticipated, and these are actually something that I am using currently on my social media profile. So I have a LinkedIn photo that has been generated with the Multiverse AI, and also on my channel I have YouTube thumbnails where I have added these AI images in the mix. If you want to try this, you can actually give it a shot, and I have arranged you a 10% discount. So this one right here says $29, but you can actually get 10% off with the code ARTURI. So if you want to give it a shot, if you want to test the waters, if you want to create a new professional profile picture, make sure to test the Multiverse AI. And also, if you want to find similar reviews of other similar products and a compiled list of the best AI headshot generators in the market, make sure to check the link in the description to the video where I show a bunch of these and a bunch of the results that I have received with these tools.